am very happy to be here as the guest of honor on this wonderful commemoration of the National Day of Canada. On behalf of the Republic of Indonesia, I would like to extend our warmest greetings to the people and to the government of Canada, together with our best wishes for a peaceful and prosperous